Prolong your battery life with just a few simple steps. When possible, keep your battery within the optimal state of charge. Keeping it at very low or very high charge levels for a longer time speeds up its aging. Use the battery care mode to prolong the life of your battery. The battery care mode will reduce the charging limit to 80 or 90% depending on the temperature and other conditions. Before longer trips, you can fully charge your battery without any worries about its longevity. Recharging on the road? Feel free to use the fastest charger you can find. However, it's usually better to only charge to 80% or even less on fast chargers. At a high percentage, the difference between faster and slower charges is small. It's faster to do more short stops. When you are not in a hurry, use slower AC chargers, either public ones or at home. They are not only gentler to the battery, the charging is also usually cheaper.